All right, we're in part C now. And again, just going back over what was given to me. Let me write this down again for you. I was given that f of x is equal to an integration 1 to x, the root of t minus 1 over t plus 1 dt, and this is true if x is greater than 1. Again, they're not asking me to do the integration, they're asking me to find what this guy's in terms of this function over here. So what do they want? They want this over here. They're wondering what this is equal to. And it's going to be from 5 to x, and then they got this root. And it looked kind of strange. But again, if you look at this, you know what the substitution is, you just put it down. I'm going to go through the work, by the way. And what's the work going to be? I want to get them, u minus 5. I'm doing the integrand, the radicand of that root problem. This is the integrand, the radicand of that. U plus 1 is equal to t minus 1, t plus 1. Let's multiply it out. We're trying to find an equivalence between the two. Like how is t related to u or u related to t? So ut, or tu, doesn't matter, plus u minus 5t minus 5 equals ut minus u, let's see, plus t minus 1. And let's see what we got here. These things are disappearing, which is good news. I'm going to say 2u. Let's see, 2u, I got 6t. Let me see, 2u, I got that. 6t, I got that. And this is going to be plus 4 now. So u is going to be 3t plus 2. All right? All right, let's go for it. And what do you got to do over here? I guess I got to make, use this f of x business over here and figure that out. And I'm going to write this over here as f of, and I'm going to write this fraction down now. That's going to be x minus 2. I'm using this to do that, by the way, over 3. This will be equal to, let's see, 1, and now we're going to x minus 2 over 3, and then we get this t minus 1 over t plus 1 dt. Before I go forward, though, I want to point out the x minus 2 over 3 has to be greater than 1. So what are you going to do over here? I got to figure that out. So you can get x minus 2 greater than 3, or x is greater than 5. So this is going to go forward, provided the x is greater than 5. And that's one of the conditions they wanted on it. All right, so let's see if we can do that. And let me get my eraser out again and start to erase things I don't need. Because I think that was, that not so bad to do that. All right, so what do I got to do? I got to put down, whoops, sorry about that. Get my pen back. Let me just get rid of that, pull this up again. Jumpy screen, right? So du is going to be 3 dt. Let's make our substitutions. Equals, well, if t equals 1, what would u equal? It's 5. Right, now if t equals x minus 2 over 3, well, I got to plug it in. Again, we're plugging it in over here. And you're going to get u equals x minus 2 plus 2, which would just be x. All right, I wanted that anyway. Let's keep going. Let's do this over here. And let's see, what's t equal to? Well, u minus 2 over 3. Write that down. U minus 2 over 3 is what t is equal to. Now minus 1, what goes on bottom? U minus 2 over 3 plus 1. And then you get a dt. And what's dt equal to? 1/3 of a du. Well, this is equal to f of x minus 2 over 3. I'm going to clear the fraction, multiply both sides by 3, and you get 3 f x minus 2 over 3 equals the integration from 5 to x. I just want to check it out, by the way. It's going to be a square root problem over here, and this is going to be du over here. I'm going to multiply the radicand by 3/3, so I would get u minus 2 minus 3, which would be u minus 5. On the bottom, if I multiply that bottom by 3, I'd get u minus 2 plus 3, which is going to be u plus 1. And this is what I wanted to come up with. So I found that relationship over here, and really what I'm finding over here is this over here. All right, and we're done with that. And then we'll go to the next one, which will be the last one in the series, which is D. They're asking me to do that one over here. And basically it's just u substitution, although it's a bit tricky, I will say that. Thank you.